All right, let's see if these are equivalent. Are they the same thing? Okay. Now let's do the right side first. You can choose either side. And I want you to notice that there is no, I'm just going to write it, no plus or minus. Okay. So you are not distributing in this problem. Okay. So what we have to do here is this is multiplication. And if it's multiplication, you got to do, your choices are FOIL. You may have learned that from another teacher, first, outside, inside, last, or in my class, you're going to use the box. Let's use a box, okay? Question, why am I drawing this box, okay? The reason I'm drawing this box is because you have a binomial, 2x minus 2. 2x plus 1. Oh, we did this in factoring, but now we're just going the other direction. Instead of having the inside going to the outside, we're going from the outside to the inside. All we're doing here is just like the FOIL method, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to first multiply, and then you're going to add or combine like terms. CLT, combine like terms. So let's do that. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. The reason why you just multiply those, that gives you 4, then x times x is x squared, okay? 2x times negative 2, negative 4x. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So we just multiplied. Now we're going to add or combine like terms. There are no terms that are similar to the 4x squared. So let's write that, 4x squared, okay? 2x and negative 4x to triangles to show they're like terms because they both have an x. Doesn't matter what's in front. Now in front, we're going to add the numbers in front. 2 plus a negative 4. 2 minus 4 gives you negative 2x. And then this one right here is just a term by itself. That they call that a constant, so I'm going to write negative 2. Okay. So now we're going to do the same thing on the left side. And I'm going to show you guys the number one mistake, and then you can even pause it, try it, and then play with me, is this one right here. This one always just drops down, okay? Students like to forget that one. So go ahead, multiply that one, and then go ahead and press play to see the answer. So let's go ahead and multiply this one. X minus 2. Okay, it doesn't matter where you could have done on the top, but I wrote mine on the side, and then x plus 1. The same thing we did over there. We're going to multiply first, and then we're going to add. X times x is x squared. Okay, x times 1 is 1x. It's not x plus 1. X times 2 is negative 2x. And again, I'm doing multiplication, so you can imagine there's actually a dot there, but we don't normally write the dot. And 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. All right, let's combine like terms now. I have x squared is positive, so I'm going to write positive. Okay. Negative, now we're adding, guys. So remember, you multiply first. We did that. That's my check mark. And then number 2, we are adding. So negative 2, just think of the numbers in front. They're like terms because they both have an x, and then we're just looking at the numbers in front. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1x. And then you have this negative 2 here. Okay. We got to do some more work here on this side. So now, you see how I dropped down that green one, the 3x squared? Now we can see if there's any like terms here. Okay, these both have an x squared. So remember, if there's no number in front, in this case it's a 1. 1 times x squared is 1x squared. So I'm just going to add these now. Why? Because there's a plus sign. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4x squared. This one has no like terms because there's none of these have just an x. I don't have to write the 1 there. That's a little bit cleaner, and then minus 2. Okay? So then are these equal? Let's go through these. 4x squared, 4x squared, yes. Negative 2, negative 2, yes. Negative x, and that x right there is from my no, okay, is not the same thing as over here because this one's a negative 2x. So we can say, let's write our sentence. No, after simplifying, comma, these expressions are not equivalent. Okay?